Hello, I'm Guru Zen, Solutions Engineer for Kaminario. Citrix XenDesktop is a known and proven solution for virtualized desktop infrastructure, or VDI. VDI has many benefits in administrating virtualized desktops, but has a lot of challenges as well. Providing a user with the best end-user experience relies mostly on the storage performance, besides servers and network. This video will show how Kaminario's 5th generation K2 all-flash array with inline deduplication and compression gives you the performance and scalability you need to provision and work with your XenDesktop environment, in extreme cases and in a day-to-day work using Login VSI. All of that with the most affordable price point in the industry. The environment in this demo consists of two different VMware ESX 5.5 clusters. The first cluster consists of two ESX hosts connected to a single K-block K2 array, which stores XenDesktop 7.6 and Login VSI 4.1 management VMs. The second cluster consists of 16 ESX hosts which are hosting 750 desktops and is connected to a second single K-block K2 array. Although a single K-block K2 is more than capable of providing the required storage and performance for both management and desktop ESX clusters, for the sake of proper benchmarking, we use two K2 arrays to demonstrate the performance of the desktop VMs isolated from the load created by the management VMs. The first test in this demo is the first operation done in a VDI environment, and it is provisioning the desktop VMs using a golden image. In our test, we deployed 750 desktop VMs using XenDesktop's Machine Creation Services Delivery Controller. The provisioning process starts with XenDesktop preparing a base disk which will be used in all deployed desktop VMs. As seen, the storage performance during this period is the average of 1 GB per second in throughput, 12,000 IOPS, and below 0.8 milliseconds in latency. In the next phase, XenDesktop copies the master image to all data stores. Since the K2 has full VAI support, the entire copy operation is offloaded to the K2, which leverages its dedup capability to intelligently implement Xcopy. The final step in the provisioning process is actually deploying the desktop VMs. With average throughput of 1.2 GB per sec, an average of 12,000 IOPS, and a sub 1 millisecond in latency, the K2 finishes the deployment of 750 VMs in 15 minutes. A frequent operation done in a VDI environment is the boot storm. A boot storm happens when all the users start their workday and boot their desktops at the same time. Most storage arrays fail to cope with this high load, forcing users to wait a long time for the desktops to be available. We are simulating a boot storm by selecting all 750 desktop VMs in the Citrix Studio and starting them. The boot storm is a very stressful operation and the K2 handles it very well, delivering high throughput that reaches 1.6 GB per second, IOPS at 100,000, and 1 millisecond average latency. The boot storm concludes in 7 to 8 minutes. The next workload we'll see is the Login VSI benchmark. Login VSI is Citrix's official benchmark tool for VDI. It uses a set of metrics to find the maximum number of virtual desktops that can be supported in a given environment. While benchmarking the 750 virtual desktops using Login VSI, we can see that the K2 easily handles the environment demands with the average throughput of 450 megabytes per second, average of 12,000 IOPS, and 0.5 millisecond as the average latency. Login VSI actively runs different Microsoft Windows and Office tools on the desktop VMs, which creates high stress on the storage system. Presented a Login VSI run in action. A single K-block K2 array is more than capable of handling additional workloads and applications, and of course handling even a higher demand than 750 concurrent users. This is an official Login VSI graph, showing the excellent average response time users receive while using the K2 all-flash array storage. The last part of the test is the log-off. All users log off from their desktops, demonstrating the end of a workday. Logging off creates a massive work of reads and writes on the storage. Here you can see how logging off all 750 users completes in only 90 seconds and generates 1 GB per second of throughput, 56,000 IOPS, and latency of 0.6 milliseconds. As seen, the Kaminario K2 all-flash array handles perfectly any XenDesktop VDI demand, provides consistent performance and latency, and reduces storage costs with data reduction technologies. End users get crisp and responsive day-to-day work with their desktops. All of that with the most affordable price in the market. For more information, please visit Kaminario.com.